Here are three exercises to help strengthen the hips. I'm doing them in a circuit style, so I'll do 10 reps of each, all in a row. And then I recommend to do that two more times. So you're doing a total of three sets, 10 reps each exercise. First exercise, bridge pose. Come to lay on your back. Bend your knees. Place the feet on the ground. Make sure the feet are parallel to each other and that they're just femur width apart. Bring your arms by your sides, the palms face the floor. Before we lift, I want you to draw the pelvic floor up and notice how that starts to bring the pelvis into neutral. It's a little hard to see with my big sweatshirt. Let's see if I can show you. So you draw the pelvic floor up, the navel in, brings the pelvis to neutral. Engage both glutes, press down through the feet, lift the hips. Pause for about 3 seconds here, and then as you exhale, you can lower those hips down to the mat. Press down through those feet, lift the hips, pause, 2, 3, lower those hips. Engage the pelvic floor, draw the navel in, squeeze the glutes and lift. As you exhale, lower. Really engaging the glutes is going to help to keep the weight out of your knees. Two more. Go ahead and lower those hips and find your mini band. If you don't have a mini band, it's okay. You can do these exercises without it. You'll just get more of a challenge with the band. So if you have a band, you can place it around the legs, above the knees, and just take time to get it in the right spot. Make sure it's not rolled up on itself. And you'll come to lay on your right hip. Bring your elbow to the mat and just place the head in the hand. Stack your knees, stack your ankles. We are bending at the hip and the knee. So we're going to keep our feet together and draw that left leg up. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds and lower. Lift and lower. Keep going. Halfway there. One more. Awesome job. Let's turn over to do the other side. So you can just come up and swing the legs around. Come to lay on your left hip, elbow to the mat, head in the hand. A bend at the hip, a bend at the knee, knees stacked, ankles stacked. The insides of the feet stay together as you lift the right leg up. Lower. Lift, pause 2 to 3 seconds here. Lower. Keep going. And you can do this without the band. Two more. Last one. Awesome. So keep the band, turn around to the other side. Next, we're going to do reverse clamshells. So you're going to take the band and just lower it. Stack the hips, stack the knees. This time, your knees are going to stay together. You'll lift the foot away, the top foot away from the bottom foot. The band gives you some resistance. Pause 2 to 3 seconds. Lower. Lift the top leg towards the front. Lower. Try to keep the rest of the body as still as possible. Engage the core. Halfway there. Three more. Last one. Awesome job. Turn around, we'll do the other side. So just flip those legs around, lay on the left side, elbow to the mat, head in the hand. Bend at the hip, bend at the knee, knee stacked, ankle stacked. Lift the top foot away from the bottom foot and lower. Keep the rest of the body as still as you can. It's as if you're rolling this top leg out. Remember to pause at the top. I forgot there for a moment. Three more. Last one. I can definitely feel that. Great job. So that's it. That's the circuit. So we just did one set, 10 reps of each exercise. I want you to do two more sets so that you'll end up doing 30 reps of each. Any questions, leave them in the comments and please hit that subscribe button.